Hey guys, this is Geese Carnes, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Turtle Beach Air Force X11. I got this for my birthday. I just want to unbox this. I also got my new unboxing knife. Spring loaded. So this is the Air Force X11. It works with your Xbox 360 and PC games. That's Windows and Mac games. Let's take a look around with the packaging. Play like a Pro. Xbox Live Chat plus game audio, so you can hear the audio from your TV inside here. Amplified stereo gaming headset. Alright. Also, integrated amplifier. Let's go on to the back. Got your Turtle Beach right there. When it's too late, too loud. Yeah, I like to play video games at night, and I don't want to wake anybody up. Alright. Play it loud all night long. Amplified sound enhances. Mic monitor. The mic monitor lets you hear what you're saying, so you can talk in here and actually hear what you're saying. Bass boost. Hear chat and game sounds. Eliminates game sound leaking into the microphone. Powered by USB. No batteries needed. Also works with your PC Mac games. Alright. Got some more pictures here. Built to last. Here's what it's gonna look like when it's all set up. The headphones have this little box right here, which hooks up to your Xbox 360 controller and your Xbox 360 USB. Also, your Xbox 360 wires plugs into these two audio wires where you can hear the sound through the headphones, but I'll be showing you the setup a little later. Alright, so let's just unbox this. Here we go. Here's where you get inside. Got your Turtle Beach Playground Pro sticker. Got your instructions right here. Thanks for choosing. Stop. Check our videos out on YouTube. youtube.com/TurtleBeachVideos. Questions. There's this little box right there. Here are the headphones. Nice big outer ear headphones. My ears can well fit into here. Very good. You got your nice mic right here, very bendable, very adjustable. You got your screen right there. Get your mic. There you go. It's a left ear. This is adjustable, so it won't break, so that's good. Oh wait. This goes in the mic so you can hear from your left side or your right side. Any way you like it. Nice little Velcro strap there. So that's pretty good. These plug into your TV. Your Xbox 360 audio wires plug through here. Got your basic buttons here. Got mute right on the far left. You got mic on the right. Got your LED indicator. Got your, this is the game volume, so you can turn down the game volume if you either want to hear from your TV or your headphones. I like to hear from the headphones, so I'll turn them all the way up. It's basically the game sounds right here. And this is the chat volume. If you don't want to hear those pesky little kids on Xbox Live, just turn it down. There we go. So this was just unboxing. Now I'm going to head up to the setup. Alright, now this is going to be the basic setup for your Xbox 360. You're going to take your audio adapters that came with the kit, with this green thing that came at the end. And you're going to take this green port and plug it in with this. Alright. Now you can take your audio adapters that came with the kit, plug in your Xbox 360 audio wires, the white and red, match them up, red goes to red, white goes into white. And you're going to plug this up, red goes in here, white goes into here. Alright, easy peasy. There we go. So that's hooked up. The pink adapter is for when you're using the PC or Mac. And then you're gonna take the USB, plug it into your 360. I got my wireless adapter to plug it into the back USB, so I can't use that. Then you're gonna take these wires that came with the kit, and you're gonna plug one end into the little white box right here, where it says the controller right back here. You're gonna plug this part into the controller. That's your basic setup for the Xbox 360 of the Turtle Beach Air Force X11. Now go have yourself a great gaming experience. Thanks for watching.